Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the repost feature on TikTok. So you might not want people to be able to repost your TikTok videos on the platform, and I'll show you how you can turn that off. So I'll open up the TikTok app right now, and let me just go to the home page. Let me just hit the share button. You'll notice that this particular person has the repost feature. So if you don't want that option on your TikTok videos, then what you need to do is, I'm just going to close out of this. You want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. That'll take you to your settings and privacy, or the creator tools. We want to tap on settings and privacy. From here, we want to tap on the privacy option, which is right over here. So tap on privacy and you'll have a whole bunch of different options. You can turn your account private, but you want to go here to the safety section underneath all those different options. Then you'll notice the repost option right over here. So all you need to do, you can see for me, it is actually on. If I want to turn off repost, I just need to toggle that switch down, and it says, so allow others to repost your videos. So by toggling that down, you're not letting other people repost your videos. And that is the process of how you do it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.